Did you get it? Oh, yummy. You gotta bend down over the food. I don't know if that's working out so well for you. Yeah. There you go. No, it's not working. Try again. You gotta turn it the other way. Good job. Ah. Say bye-bye. Caitlin, can you say hi? Say hi. Can you say hi? Hi. You mean shy. Say hi. Can you? Say hi. You say, uh-oh. Nothing.
Uh-oh.
There you go. Of course, you gotta drop it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, say bye. Like this, Caitlin. Bye. Oh, I'm not leaving. Hi. There we go. Hi.